There's a lot of people who really feel this intense urgency to create a homestead that can see them through the hard times. What I really, really want to talk to you guys today about is responding to that urgency in a healthy way. Hey you guys, it's Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and I wanted to talk to you guys for just a minute about something that's really been on my heart a lot lately, and I know it's been on a lot of your guys' mind because I've been hearing this from you a lot in the last year and a half, and that is this urgency that we're all feeling about making our homes more self-sufficient. I wanted to let you guys know you're not alone in feeling that. There are thousands and thousands of people who are feeling that exact same thing. They're looking around, they're seeing the state of the world, especially the last couple of years, and we've maybe had our eyes open that there are certain parts of our system that are less stable than we thought they were. There's a lot of people moving out to the countryside. There's a lot of people who really feel this intense urgency to create a homestead that can see them through the hard times, right? To add to their resiliency. Those of you guys who have followed us for a while know that that's what we're all about. We're all about helping you find health, freedom, and security, and helping you guys along that journey as we're on that journey of our own. But sometimes I think as homesteaders, we become so isolated that we feel like we're the only ones who feel the way we do. You know, homesteading's not normal. As much as it's becoming more normal in our culture, it's still odd. In a society that loves convenience, we love leisure and luxury, it's an odd thing to choose to work hard. It's an odd thing to choose the do-it-yourself version over the convenience version. And a lot of people don't understand that. Us homesteaders often feel like we're alone and we're odd, but I wanted to let you guys know you're not alone. There's so many other people that feel that way, and you're not strange for feeling that urgency. That is a feeling that is going through so many of us. We want more, and we want it right now. That feeling of urgency is so important. It's driving so many people to make really good decisions for their lives, but there's a dark side of it too. I know we don't want to do anything out of fear, and certainly there's a difference between urgency and fear. If you're taking action because you're afraid of what's going on or what might happen, you really need to step back and reevaluate what you're doing. Homesteading's a lot of work, and it's a long-term commitment. A lot of times fear-based actions are kind of hastily made and easily given up. So you really want to look at your motivation. But there's a dark side of proper urgency too, and that is that you can do too much way too fast. One of the top reasons Josh and I have seen people fail in homesteading is because they get overwhelmed and then they quit. It's absolutely true. Homestead burnout is a totally real thing, and it's happening to people. They're selling their livestock, they're quitting gardening, they're moving back to the city because they're so overwhelmed. But here's the thing, you can choose how much you do. Once you start a project on the homestead though, you kind of have to follow through with it. You can't just wake up one morning and decide, hey, I'm not going to feed the chickens today because I want to sleep in. What I really, really want to talk to you guys today about is responding to that urgency in a healthy way, in a way that brings you and your family more resiliency and not more stress. That's not what we need right now. We want to increase our resiliency, increase our self-sufficiency, increase our community sufficiency, but we don't want to destroy ourselves, our relationships, our family, or anything else because we've taken on too much because we're concerned about what's going to happen, even if you're not fear-based. Remember, slow and steady always wins the race in the long run. Do what you can do and what you can finish successfully this year. And make sure you go for a couple good walks along the line. If you want to learn how to manage your household and your homestead a little bit better so that you can fit a little more in without getting too stressed, check out this video right here on how I manage my household.